The worst kind of sadness is being surrounded by people and still feeling unseen. Nasaktan ako para kay Isnir. He's always the source of fun and good vibes. But in the end, walang pumili sa kanya. Ang sakit nun. Yung tipong you make everyone feel seen and included. Pero when it's your turn, no one chooses you. Kahit pa sinabi niyang papalitan ko na lang pangalan ko ng Isnir John D. Pinili Ranulu na may kasamang tawa. Ramdam ko yung kirot sa likod ng biro. Hindi yung simpleng joke. That was pain hiding behind humor. Minsan kasi, the ones who smile the most are the ones who get hurt silently. Ang hirap nung feeling na you show up for everyone but when it's your turn, no one shows up for you. And I think marami sa atin ang makakarelate, hindi lang si Isnir. Minsan sa barkada, sa trabaho, sa relasyon, ikaw yung nagbibigay pero hindi ikaw ang pinipili. Ang sakit maging second option or worse, not an option at all. But here's what I realize. Being not chosen doesn't make you less. Minsan lang talaga people fail to see the kindest hearts in the room and that's not your fault. So, to everyone na minsang hindi pinili, this is your reminder. You are enough. You are matter. And outside that one moment, there are people who see you, value you, and would choose you again and again. And to Isnir, I know this may not matter to you since you don't know me, but please know that I'm choosing you. Will love you, Isnir, always.